Pakistan's forests are shrinking rapidly because of illegal logging, and with the threat of climate change, one province has decided to start a massive tree planting effort. Kamal Haider reports from the northern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province.
Although Pakistan is a large country, less than 5% of its territory is under forestation. That is due to the neglect by previous governments, also coupled with the fact that the conflict in Pakistan has encouraged the timber mafia to chop down the forest in key areas where the country had those resources. Now, because of the threat of climate change, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province has come out with an ambitious plan to plant up to 1 billion trees across the province. The plan will take 4 years to implement. The government has already set aside 15 billion rupees, which is about $150 million. It is going to encourage the local nurseries to earn more money because the government has now given them a target to grow more and more trees.
This initiative of tree plantation by the government will not only boost the business of many nursery owners, but will also bring more and more people to invest in this industry.
The government is also encouraging local farmers to come and take free trees in order to grow more and more trees across this province.
It will drastically change our climatic problem at present. First, the second main thing, that with the plantation of these 1 billion trees, it will drastically change the soil erosion in our province as well as in our country.
If the plan is successful, it will change the ecology of this region and also minimize the effects of climate change.